finished Playhouse. Do you want una paleta de helado? Sí? Okay. Let's review los números today. Then, let's count from 1 to 20 in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20! Thank you for counting to 20 with me. Now we're gonna do a game. And the game is, you gotta tell me how many items are on the screen. First, we have a corazón, a heart. How many hearts are there? Uno. Now we have suns on the screen. 1, 2, 3. How many pájaros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Now we have manzanas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 manzanas. How many zanahorias are on the screen? 1, 2. 2 zanahorias. How many trees? Árboles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 árboles. How many gatos are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're so cute. We finished. Now on for our worksheet. I have this worksheet. Do you want to do it? Remember, you can download this worksheet by clicking on the link below. Alright, we're gonna count each item and circle the right number for it. Número 1, sillas. How many sillas are there? Could you count with me? 1, 2, 3. Now let's look for the number 3. Número 2, conos de helado. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's circle the 5. Número 3, peces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Número 4, fresas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Número 5, casas. 1, 2. Número 6, gafas. 1, 2. Thank you for doing the work with me. I'll see you next time.